Come with me. I want to introduce you to a person who has something to tell us. Sorry to bother you, Jordi, but we know that the titanium clamp has a few aspects that are important for Mikalor, and we'd love to know about them.
Mikalor's titanium clamp is special for several reasons. The first is that it was originally requested by a Formula One team to contribute to weight reduction on its racing car. This made it possible to develop a clamp that, in addition to being lightweight, meets the highest standards in performance, reliability, and torque.
And how many diameters did you manufacture?
Initially, we manufactured just 2 diameters, and some teams continue to use them. Thanks to this development, Mikalor is the only company in the world capable of manufacturing and supplying the entire range of 100% titanium clamps. It ranges from the smallest diameter of 1627 to the largest diameter of 220 or 240.
And why is the titanium clamp so special?
Well, it's special because it shows that we are a dynamic, flexible, and particularly customer needs-oriented company. Proof of this is the petrochemical industry, which solved its constant clamp corrosion problems by using Mikalor's titanium clamps.
In other words, they last a lifetime.
In certain environments, absolutely. It is one of the materials with the highest resistance to corrosion by acids, chlorine, and sulfuric acids. At the same time, it has very low electrical conductivity and a high melting point.
So you could say it's affordable to everybody.
Yes, it is. Thanks to Mikalor, we are able to supply a very special, exclusive, high-performance product to any customer who needs it. And at Mikalor, we are very proud to be able to supply it to any customer who needs it.